Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is picture composition, subject English or EVS or creative writing for class 1 to 3rd. So learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to first observe a picture carefully, identify people, objects and actions in a picture, form simple sentences based on a picture, arrange ideas in a logical order. Next, teaching aids. So you can use colorful picture charts or flashcard, worksheet, pencil colors, picture A4 size sheet or picture card. Next, introduction. Show a colorful picture, like you can show picture of park, market, family scene, classroom, zoo, and then ask simple questions. What can you see in the picture? How many people are there? What are they doing? So encourage students to speak freely. Next, presentation. So display one large picture and guide students step by step. So, who is in the picture? Where is the place? What are they doing? So, step by step, you have to teach the students by showing one picture of any scene and also then write 3 4 simple sentences on the board using students' answer. So, you can write the sentences on the board as well. Like, example, this is a park, children are playing, a boy is flying a kite, the park looks beautiful. Like simple sentences you can frame on the board. Next, guided practice. So give another picture to students and ask them to say words related to the picture, frame 2 3 sentences orally, help slow learners by giving sentence starters. So you have to help the students as well. Like, I can see dash, so students can fill. There is dash, they are dash. So like this you can give some starters. Now this is the independent practice in which students will do it themselves. Distribute worksheet with a picture and students write 3 or 5 sentences about the picture. Allow coloring after writing for lower classes. Now I'm showing one picture and you can give the blanks also in your worksheet. Like, this is the picture of school and where students are talking and one girl is sitting reading a book. There is a school bus also. So this is the picture you can see. And so in the worksheet you can give this picture to the students and then you have to ask the questions related to this by giving them some fill in the blanks also. Like, this picture is of a school or park, so students will say a school. What is shining in the sky, moon or sun? So student will fill in the blank with the sun. What is the boy and girl doing near the school? So they are talking or they are running. So student will write they are talking. They are dash near the school. What are the children holding? Books or toys? So student will answer. So here they are standing near the school. You can give the options as well. What are the children holding? Books or toys? So student is holding book. The children are holding book, like this. What is the vehicle near the building? Is that the bus or a car? So student will say a bus is near the building. So this is the bus. What is the girl on the bench doing? Is she reading or sleeping? So student will answer she is reading. What is written on the building, school or library? So it is written here school. What is the color of the leaves on the tree? Is it green or yellow? So student will answer the leaves are green. So this is the picture of the worksheet you can use. Now the last is recap. You can ask what is the picture composition? What is picture composition? What should we see first in a picture? So any other questions you can ask to recap you can use. So this is the lesson plan of the picture composition. Thank you so much and have a nice day.